Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The Ams Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 22nd of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet and unsettled beginning tomorrow. Maybe some strong to severe storms Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. And the weekend ahead could be wet at times. So lots to talk about. Let's dive in. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. You can see a strong shortwave that's moving into Texas. That's producing some active weather there. But still today, the weather pretty nice. There's a visible satellite view. The sky partly to mostly sunny across the state with a field of fair weather cumulus clouds. Feels pretty good, mostly low 70s. Birmingham at 71. We do note there is a flash flood watch issued for southwest Alabama, Choctaw, Clark, Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties, as that part of the state will see a lot of rain for the next 4 or 5 days, and much of the state will see rain as well. But again, that's the initial flooding concern. Around the nation, got some scattered winter weather issues out west and wind advisories. Severe thunderstorms a possibility through tonight over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Centered along the Red River, that would include Wichita Falls, Abilene, and Dallas-Fort Worth. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois. And southwest of here, we have a marginal risk over parts of South Mississippi and Southeast Louisiana. And Wednesday, day 3, a marginal risk for parts of East Texas, much of Louisiana, and South Mississippi. And day 4, Thursday and Thursday night, a risk of severe storms across all of Louisiana, Mississippi, and a pretty good chunk of Alabama. And again, we'll talk about the new modeling here in just a second. Rain for the next 7 days, a lot. Wettest weather in the country right here. Parts of Alabama could see 5 inches of rain between now and Monday of next week, as we'll see multiple waves of rain, so there could be some flooding issues along the way. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. We've got one upper low that's near Kansas City, another trough digging down into the southwestern states. At the surface, we got a surface low north of Kansas City and a cold front approaching, and that should push a band of showers and thunderstorms in here by afternoon. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see rain falling over parts of the state. There could be some thunder, but there is basically no surface-based instability, so we're not expecting any severe weather problems tomorrow and tomorrow night. This is Wednesday. The surface front will be hanging up just a little north and west of the state. So while it might not rain all day, there's certainly a chance of showers. And then Thursday, the GFS depicting a fairly deep surface low near Florence at 4 o'clock. The European has the surface low back over Arkansas. And then by 10 o'clock Thursday night, it moves the surface low between Memphis and St. Louis. And obviously in that position, that puts Alabama in a favorable position for severe storms, synoptically speaking. This is the instability Thursday night. There's a good surge of unstable air coming up from the south. And again, this is off the European. And that's the lightning flash density showing obviously a lot of thunderstorm activity. Still a little too early to be specific on the magnitude and the threat. You want to get really within about 60 hours of the event. Once you get within the range of the CAMs, the convective allowing models, and we can see a much more detailed look at what to expect. But no doubt, there could be a few strong to severe storms across Alabama Thursday and Thursday night, so be weather aware. This is Friday. We get into a dry slot. The sky becoming partially sunny. The high Friday still in the 70s. No cold air involved here. But look what happens. The rain comes right back on Saturday as the weekend begins with the next wave coming in from the west and that front moving north as a warm front. So again, Saturday looks like a day with clouds, occasional showers. Not going to rain all day, but fairly wet. And Sunday now looking wet as a deep surface low moves over Pennsylvania, and that pushes a cold front in here, and that might bring some strong storms on Sunday. But we've seen other looks. The confidence out here not especially high, but we certainly will bring in a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms on Sunday. Highs dropping in the 60s. And a week from today, Monday the 29th, ridging building in, and we are dry with a sunny sky. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday of next week, April Fool's Day, April 1st, broad ridge, and we are dry. Looks like much of next week looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 7th of April. Temperatures, no sign of any really cold air for the next 10 days. Highs mostly in the 70s, lows mostly in the 40s and the 50s. But again, I caution you, we always have a cold snap in April. I don't think we're done with frost or freezing temperatures just yet. However, the new CPC outlook for March 30th through April 5th, showing temperatures over much of the country above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The Ams Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.